Your BMW engine isn't failing because it's unreliable. It's failing because of your own habits. Most BMW owners are slowly destroying their engines without even realizing it. These common mistakes lead to the worst BMW failures: spun rod bearings, blown turbos, destroyed timing chain guides, the exact repairs that cost thousands and kill even the most reliable BMW engines. And these aren't opinions. This comes straight from BMW master technicians, Consumer Reports reliability data, and thousands of real-world failures documented across the Bimmer Post community. Fix these habits now, and your BMW engine can easily last 200,000 to 300,000 miles. Number 10. Ignoring the yellow oil light. Most BMW owners think the yellow oil light is just a reminder, but it's actually an emergency warning that your engine is about to suffer catastrophic damage. When this light appears, your oil level has dropped to a critically dangerous point that starves vital engine components. According to BMW's own technical documentation and Consumer Reports analysis, the yellow oil light indicates oil level has dropped below the minimum safe operating threshold. At this point, the oil pickup tube can become uncovered during cornering or acceleration, causing complete oil starvation to critical engine bearings. BMW engines use proprietary low-ash oils like LL01 and LL04 that are vital for cooling and protecting the Vanos variable valve timing system. When oil levels drop, the high-pressure oil pump struggles to maintain adequate flow, especially to the timing chain tensioners and Vanos actuators. The damage occurs within minutes of oil starvation. Rod bearings begin to overheat and score, while timing chain tensioners lose pressure and allow chain slack that destroys guides and sprockets. Master BMW technician Mike Miller from Pelican Parts confirms that most catastrophic engine failures start with ignored oil level warnings. The cost of adding oil immediately is under $50. The cost of engine replacement after oil starvation damage ranges from $15,000 to $25,000. Independent BMW specialists report that engines with promptly addressed oil level warnings regularly exceed 200,000 miles, while those with ignored warnings fail around 80,000 miles. Number 9. Using cheap or generic coolant. Generic green or yellow coolant destroys BMW's aluminum engines and complex cooling systems through chemical incompatibility that causes gasket swelling, seal damage, and internal corrosion. BMW cooling systems require specific chemical formulations to protect aluminum components and electronic sensors. According to automotive chemistry studies and BMW technical bulletins, generic coolants contain silicates and phosphates that react with aluminum to form corrosive compounds. These compounds attack the aluminum block, cylinder heads, and radiator from the inside, causing expensive leaks and overheating. The proper coolant specification is BMW-approved formulations that contain organic acid technology designed specifically for aluminum engines. These coolants cost about $30 more per service but prevent thousands in cooling system damage and engine replacement. Real-world data from BMW specialists shows that engines using correct coolant specifications maintain proper operating temperatures and rarely develop cooling system leaks. Those using generic coolants develop water pump failures, thermostat housing cracks, and radiator leaks around 80,000 miles. The chemical damage is irreversible once it begins. Aluminum corrosion creates rough surfaces that destroy water pump seals and cause cascading failures throughout the cooling system. The coolant cost difference over 150,000 miles is about $200, but the repair savings exceed $8,000. Number 8. Neglecting differential fluid changes. BMW's performance models use complex limited-slip differentials and active M differentials that require specific fluid formulations. Ignoring the lifetime fluid claim leads to premature clutch pack wear and massive repair costs for the differential unit itself. According to Consumer Reports investigations and extensive BMWs documentation, differential fluids break down under stress from high G cornering and aggressive driving. The clutch packs generate extreme heat that degrades the fluid's lubricating properties and causes metal-to-metal contact. BMW's lifetime fluid recommendation is designed to minimize apparent maintenance costs during the warranty period, not to ensure long-term reliability. Independent BMW specialists recommend differential fluid changes every 50,000 miles using BMW-approved specifications. The service costs $150 to $200, but prevents $2,500 to $4,000 differential rebuilds. Performance BMWs with regular differential service maintain smooth operation and precise handling characteristics throughout their service life. Master technicians report that M3, M5, and other performance models with neglected differential maintenance develop whining noises, limited slip clutch failure, and complete differential destruction around 100,000 miles. Those with proper fluid maintenance regularly exceed 200,000 miles with original differentials. Number 7. Shutting down immediately after hard driving. This mistake destroys turbochargers faster than any other driving habit. After running the engine hard, especially on N54, N55, and B58 engines, the turbo core reaches temperatures exceeding 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Shutting off immediately stops oil circulation while the turbo is still glowing hot. According to turbocharger engineering studies and BMW technical documentation, residual oil in the turbo bearings cokes or burns and solidifies when oil circulation stops while the turbo is hot. This carbon buildup destroys the precision bearings and seals within the turbocharger. The proper procedure after hard driving is allowing the engine to idle for 2 to 3 minutes before shutdown. This allows the turbo to cool gradually while maintaining oil circulation to prevent coking. Some BMW models include automatic cooling fans that run after shutdown for this purpose. Turbocharger replacement costs $3,000 to $5,000 per side on twin-turbo engines. The cooling procedure costs nothing but extends turbo life dramatically. Independent BMW specialists report that turbos with proper cooling procedures regularly exceed 150,000 miles, while those without fail around 80,000 miles. The damage is cumulative and irreversible. Each heat cycle without proper cooling deposits more carbon in the turbo bearings until they seize completely, often sending metal debris throughout the engine's oil system. Number 6. Using non-OEM spark plugs. BMW engines run very high boost pressures and require precise spark timing for optimal performance and engine protection. Non-OEM spark plugs often have incorrect heat ranges or gap specifications that cause pre-ignition or detonation under high boost conditions. According to automotive ignition studies and BMW engineering documentation, spark plugs must withstand combustion pressures exceeding 1,000 psi in turbocharged engines. Generic plugs lack the electrode materials and heat dissipation characteristics required for these extreme conditions. Pre-ignition and detonation cause catastrophic piston and cylinder wall damage that requires complete engine replacement. The pressure waves from abnormal combustion can crack pistons, destroy rings, and score cylinder walls beyond repair. OEM spark plugs cost about $20 more per set than generic alternatives, but they prevent thousands in engine damage. BMW-approved plugs are engineered specifically for each engine's compression ratio, boost pressure, and timing requirements. Master BMW technicians report that engines using correct spark plugs maintain smooth operation and full power output throughout their service life. Those using incorrect plugs develop misfires, reduced power, and catastrophic engine damage around 60,000 miles. Number 5. Trusting the factory 15,000-mile oil interval. The factory oil change interval is the biggest engine killer in BMW history. These extended intervals cause oil breakdown, sludge formation, and timing chain tensioner failure that destroys engines predictably around 120,000 miles. According to Consumer Reports data and extensive BMWs Post forum documentation, BMW's 15,000-mile oil intervals are designed to minimize apparent maintenance costs during the warranty period. After warranty expiration, these intervals cause catastrophic failures that require engine replacement. Oil breaks down from fuel dilution, moisture contamination, and extreme turbo heat. Running oil past 7,500 miles in turbocharged engines causes sludge buildup that starves timing chain tensioners and oil passages, leading to timing chain stretch and guide failure. The proper interval for BMW engines is 5,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on driving conditions. This costs about $400 more annually in oil changes, but prevents $15,000 to $25,000 engine replacements. Independent BMW specialists report that engines following 5,000-mile intervals with quality synthetic oil regularly exceed 250,000 miles. Those following factory recommendations need major engine work around 120,000 miles, often requiring complete replacement. Number 4. Ignoring plastic cooling system components. BMW cooling systems use plastic expansion tanks, water pump pulleys, and radiator necks that become brittle from heat cycling. Ignoring small coolant leaks or delaying replacement leads to sudden, catastrophic failure and engine-destroying overheating. According to Automotive Materials, Engineering Studies, and Consumer Reports analysis, plastic cooling components are designed with planned obsolescence around 100,000 miles. The constant heating and cooling cycles cause molecular changes that make the plastic brittle and prone to sudden failure. When plastic components fail, they cause immediate massive coolant loss that can destroy an aluminum engine within minutes. Overheating warps cylinder heads, cracks engine blocks, and destroys head gaskets beyond economical repair. The secret is proactive replacement of all plastic cooling components at 80,000 miles before failure occurs. This service costs $800 to $1,200, but prevents $8,000 to $15,000 engine replacement after overheating damage. BMW master technicians report that engines with proactive cooling system maintenance have a 95% chance of reaching 200,000 miles without major problems. Those with reactive maintenance often suffer catastrophic overheating around 100,000 miles. Number 3. Skipping transmission fluid changes. BMW's lifetime fluid claim is automotive fraud designed to increase profits through premature transmission failures. The high torque of performance BMW engines destroys automatic transmission fluid rapidly, causing valve body clogs and clutch pack failure. According to Consumer Reports investigations and class action lawsuit documentation, BMW's ZF transmissions require fluid changes every 60,000 miles to prevent catastrophic failure. The lifetime recommendation causes transmission destruction around 120,000 miles. When transmission fluid degrades, it becomes acidic and attacks seals, clutches, and the mechatronics valve body. The resulting debris clogs passages and causes harsh shifting, slipping, and complete transmission failure requiring replacement. Transmission fluid service costs $400 to $600, but prevents $5,000 to $8,000 transmission replacement. European BMW dealers quietly recommend fluid changes despite corporate policy because they witness the failures firsthand. Independent transmission specialists report that BMWs with regular fluid changes maintain smooth operation beyond 200,000 miles. Those following lifetime recommendations develop transmission problems predictably around 120,000 miles. Number 2. Driving hard before oil temperature reaches operating range. This mistake destroys rod bearings faster than any other driving habit. When the engine is cold, oil is thick and internal tolerances are tight. Applying high throttle or boost before the oil temperature gauge shows full warm-up causes massive friction and bearing damage. According to BMW engineering documentation and tribology studies, rod bearings require specific oil film thickness to prevent metal-to-metal contact. Cold oil cannot maintain adequate film thickness under high loads, causing bearing surfaces to score and eventually spin. The damage is cumulative and irreversible. Each cold engine acceleration event removes microscopic amounts of bearing material until the bearings fail catastrophically. This is especially critical on high-performance S65, S85, and S63M engines with tight tolerances. The proper procedure is allowing oil temperature to reach normal operating range before applying more than 50% throttle. This takes 5 to 10 minutes depending on ambient temperature and prevents bearing damage that costs $15,000 to $25,000 to repair. Master BMW technicians report that engines with proper warm-up procedures regularly exceed 200,000 miles with original bearings. Those with aggressive cold engine operation develop bearing knock around 80,000 miles, requiring complete engine replacement. Number 1. Ignoring small oil leaks. The most catastrophic mistake is treating small oil leaks as cosmetic issues. BMW engines have high-pressure oil systems, where even minor leaks indicate seal failure that will worsen rapidly and cause catastrophic damage. According to BMW technical documentation and Consumer Reports analysis, oil leaks from valve covers, oil filter housings, or main seals indicate hardened rubber components that will fail completely without warning. These leaks often soak critical wiring harnesses or drive belts. When oil-soaked belts slip off pulleys, they can be sucked into the front main seal area, causing immediate engine destruction. Oil-saturated wiring harnesses develop shorts that damage expensive control modules and create electrical fires. The most dangerous scenario occurs when leaking oil reaches the serpentine belt, causing it to slip and potentially jam in the crankshaft pulley area. This can destroy the front main seal, timing cover, and entire front engine assembly in seconds. Small oil leaks cost $200 to $500 to repair immediately. Ignoring them leads to $15,000 to $25,000 engine replacement when catastrophic failure occurs. Independent BMW specialists report this failure mode is common on N55 and B58 engines around 100,000 miles. These 10 destructive habits represent the difference between BMW ownership being a source of pride or financial disaster. They're based on real-world failure data, master technician experience, and proven results from high-mileage BMW engines worldwide. The key insight is that BMW engines are precision instruments that reward meticulous care and punish neglect severely. Avoiding these mistakes costs about $2,000 annually in proper maintenance, but prevents $15,000 to $25,000 in catastrophic engine replacement while providing the legendary BMW driving experience you paid for. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and if you like content like this, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.